Hey guys, it's Dominic over at Redline Garage Fab. Do you have a first gen Raptor or a 12th generation F-150 and you just feel like the headlights are just looking a little dated and they need a little bit of a facelift? I have the answer for that. It's always nice coming home, well, especially to that guy, but having some boxes coming home for the Raptor. So we just partnered with a new company for some new headlights. Let me get them opened and we'll see what's inside. So the guys over at Archaic Lighting were like, we have the fix for your headlights. We want to get you into the 21st century looking like a new truck. So let's see what we got inside. Come packaged really nice. So we have all the instructions. I'm going to try to get it where these don't fall down. So I love the third generation Raptor where the amber DRLs are on while you're driving. So their headlights, I mean, they look great. They got a nice gloss black housing. And then right here, you can turn this either to white or to amber. I'm going to go to amber because I want to look like a newer gen Raptor. And the nice thing is all you do is this is what switches from white to amber here. But I mean, the housings, the headlights look really, really nice. It looks like a very nice quality piece. Let's get these installed and we'll see how they look. Ford made it very easy to replace these headlights on this generation F-150. Like, it's 2 bolts up top, and then you have a bolt right here, and then you're gonna pop out the clip when you pull the headlights. Let me get these out. And that's it. Just a little tug, and like I said, it's just these clips with these guide pins that put it on. So all we're gonna do is just disconnect, and our headlight. So out with the old. Now I'm on my second set of lights, only due to when I bought my truck, they were already aged and discolored. So I just bought a cheap set off the internet just to get me by. So we're gonna pull off the protective this. Now, because I want the amber DRL or amber, the lighting, I'm gonna disconnect this per the instructions. Then, because my truck originally didn't come with HIDs, so what you're gonna do is if your truck didn't either, you're gonna disconnect this jumper harness, or if you did have a truck that had the projectors, you're gonna then leave the harness connected. Okay, so now all we do is, I'm just gonna make sure, yep. Sometimes some headlights need some bulbs, so I always just do a quick check. So there's this guy, and there's this one. And then, like I said, this plugs into here like the factory switch. Now, before we fully shove this in, I want these to run when I key on the truck, like a newer Raptor. So what I'm gonna do is, it comes with a jumper harness, and then I have these fuses that will jump there. But for the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set these up, so then all I gotta do is then tap into the fuse box. Now, per the instructions, you go off of fuse 20, which is the second fuse along the front row. All right, so this headlight is ready to be removed. So all you do is, again, wash and repeat like you did on that side. Unplug your connectors. Some of these, and of course, same as I said before, pull the plastic off the housing, which, I mean, guys, look at these. These look so good. I'm so excited to get these on the truck. Undo, so I have amber. And then the same thing as the other side, unplug the HID connector. And then let's get all this plugged back in. So we have the running light on the corner, headlight, and then you have this guy, which is our headlight, turn signal, and then the accessory. And all we do is just give it a slight little, make sure everything's on. And we just give it a little push. I always like to make sure they're in. And just like that, there they go. So then my fasteners are right here. I mean, 6 easy bolts. Some of these new cars take, you know, you gotta take a bumper off. So it's nice actually having it nice and easy. I mean, look at that right there. That looks already night and day difference. I cannot wait to power them up. So let me get this wired in. So like I said, let me get it close to you in here. So per their instructions, they require to tap off of this fuse, which is a 20 amp. So I'm gonna get this wired up and then we'll turn the truck on. All right, so install took maybe every bit of 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see how they look. Dude, these look so cool. Check that out. I love that. Now that I have on as key on. Now, don't mind that. That just went out. I got a set ordered from LMR as a full kit, but these look so cool. Like, nice projector. I already can see in the garage. It's way brighter than what those headlights were because they were just standard bulbs. But I love this. This is so cool. I highly recommend it. So if you want to pick up a set of headlights just like these for your 12th gen F-150 or 1st gen Raptor, enter RGF10 and get $20 off of your set of headlights at Archaic-Global.com. I just want to give a big thank you to Archaic Global for giving me the opportunity to have these headlights on my Raptor, and I hope you guys too. Catch you again. See you on the next one.